Srikanta this side. I'm from Asansol, West Bengal. So I pursued the course of Travel and Tourism Management. This was very nice experience for me, and I've already done with the course. I've done my BSc in zoology. And after that, when I was very keen to know about this travel and tourism course, so I was searching through Google and get to know about Skylark Institute, and I did it. As of now, I've completed my course. If you talk about rating the course, I 100 out of 10. So it was so good and it was so nice that as of now, I'm very confident about going further in this travel and tourism field. Course duration, I think it is for 3 to 4 months. So I've done it in 2 months. It was so nicely structured. So it was very fine. I loved it actually. My advice to who are going to take this course would be just take it. It is way more beautiful. And it is way more, it's way more informative, it's way more structured than anything I have gone through. As of now, I'm a working professional into the IT recruitment. So I don't have time to go to those classes. Going to classes, means coming back to the classes, walking, it takes so much time. It's very tiring. But if you can access it through the mobile or laptop by sitting idle, it's way more beautiful and it's way more time saving. Content is so good and we can see the recorded lectures at any time. It's very preferable for any working professional and students also. I get my certificate early week, and this week I have got job opportunity from Akaksha Air. As of now, I'm very confident to crack any of the interview after completing this course. So I loved it.